fours.
Amina. 10 toes. No, I'm here 4. Did I hear it? No, I'm here 4. Me on 4 now. You're dead, brother. You're dead. Dead. You have your hook. If you're not hook, you're dead.
God Almighty. This looks serious, man.
Remember that.
Number five.
That's dead one.
All right, guys, get in your cars. We're going to run all motor first, all right? All motor nitrous. Come up to the line. You know your competitor, bring it up to the line.
So Pamels is in the right lane. Leo positioning himself in the left lane. So Pamels in the red car. For those who don't carry them by the way.
Yes, that is it.
And Leo is in the black car. So left lane black car, Leo. Right lane red car.
I remember 200 Civic. This is a race.
Who will it be?
This looks like a bushmeat.
Are we ready? Making their way down the track. Louis just taking advantage of the jump start that he got. No itches, no looking back. And we await to see if Louis was, and it is. Here we go. And they're up. Very slow start for them. But nevertheless, they're picking up the speed, using this to his advantage. They're in the left lane. Ladies and gentlemen, it's looking to be Vicky, Boss, and Philip.
Look at that! Look at that! People watch it! Watch that! See that? No, clap now. See that? See that? See win there. See win there.
Alright, and it is the left and he's up.
That is it.
On his way to make an impression. Nigel.
That's a car. You know that camera. Yeah, good one.
So ladies and gentlemen, that is Kyle.
That's a car. piece of trouble. And tap the car the fast and tap the keep the fast.
You're dead, brother. You're dead. Dead. You have a hook. If you know you're dead.
We know how to not talk here.
That's a shit.
Oh, you know, saying, girl, this time
Let's see who will advance to the finals. Who will go up against Uncle Willie? And they're up. So we are waiting, because I can't see from here.
But for now, we are giving it 200,000. Look at this, people. Look at this. Look at this. Watch it. Watch this, people. And the verse is wicked. And the verse is wicked. Watch this. Look at this. I know we are giving it a 50 there. But for now, we are giving it 200,000. Look at this, people. Look at this. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this, people. And the verse is wicked. And the verse is wicked.
Alright, so no questions asked. Definitely new.
Alright.
So
Remember,